Сәлеметсіңдер ме? Бүгін бізде онлайн сабақ. Яғни бүгін бізде жаңа тақырып, жаңа юнит. Юнит 9 транспорт. And the theme of the lesson, jobs. Okay, the lesson objectives. Introduction and the practice of the new lexical material on the theme jobs. Introduction and the consolidation of new words to develop people's speaking and reading skills. Okay, before starting our lesson, I want to ask some questions for you. Why do people have to work? What are the most dangerous jobs? What kinds of jobs do you enjoy most? For preparing answers to this question, I will give you 1 minute. And if you have any kind of ideas or opinions, you may answer. Okay, I will wait your answers. The next task is learning new words. You should repeat after me. Racing driver. Racing driver. Vet. A vet. The next is a pilot. A pilot. The next is a doctor. Doctor. A cook. Cook. The next is a singer. A singer. The next is a sailor. Sailor. A sailor. And the last one is a teacher. Okay, you should learn by heart these new words. Okay, today's descriptors. Select an appropriate answer, completes the task, uses appropriate subject-specific vocabulary while speaking, discusses questions and answers the questions within the group. Okay, what is missing? The first task is you should put or insert missing letters. For this one, I will give you 20 seconds. Okay, you are right. Good job. Now the second task is find and write. You should find out the name of jobs or professions and write them. For this one, I will give you 1 minute. For example, doctor. Here you see the word doctor. Okay, the next is task is completing the task. You should complete the descriptions of the people with words in the box. As you see here the words, you should put these words and complete the task. Мына жерде көріп тұрғандарыңыздай түрлі мамандық иелері бар, жұмыс атаулары. Сіздер осы сөздерді қолдана отырып, суретке қарай отырып, осы жерге бос орындарға осы сөздердің ішінен қайсысы келеді, соны таңдап жазасыздар. Then we will check it. For this one, I will give you 2 minutes. Okay, let's have a rest. You should do, repeat and do it. With my foot I tap tap tap. With my hands I clap clap clap. Right foot first, left foot then. Round and back again. Okay, to choose and what to choose. This is a question. William Shakespeare. This one is your home task. You should write your opinions about this quotation. What did you understand from the quotation? And then you will write about it. Көріп тұрғандарыңыздай, осы Шекспирдің сөзінен не түсіндіңіздер, соны сол туралы қысқаша жазып келесіздер. Бұл сіздерге үйге тапсырма болып саналады. Келесі discussion, яғни қазір сабақты аяқтамас алдын біз бірнеше сұрақтарға жауап берулеріңіз керек. Мысалға, it is easy to choose a profession. Or when we speak about profession, we use such words as trade, occupation, or who can explain the difference between them? Like this. You should answer these questions. Today's our lesson is over. Thank you for your work. Көріп тұрғандарыңыздай, бүгінгі біздің онлайн сабақ аяқталды. Қатысқандарыңызға рахмет.